Ninth class, this is the third video of chapter number 8, motion. In previous videos, we have discussed about physical quantities, scalar, vector, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, types of speed, types of velocity, and difference between speed and velocity, motion, uniform motion. All the topics we have done till now. Now our next topic is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. I have given you an idea regarding uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, unequal distance in equal interval of time, okay? We call it when speed keep changing or velocity keep changing, when velocity is not constant. So in non-uniform motion, there is a term, we call it acceleration. Acceleration is the term which cause the change in velocity, okay? Acceleration is the term we use to define change in velocity, okay? So acceleration is nothing but change in velocity, but this is an incomplete definition. What type of change we are discussing here? Let us take an example. Let us say we have an object which is moving. An object is moving, let's say the speed of 5 meters per second. After 1 second, its speed becomes 7 or velocity becomes 7, then 9, 11, 13, 15. That means he is changing is speed और velocity by factor of 2, यानी कि हर सेकेंड उसकी स्पीड में और वेलोसिटी में 2 का इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, ओके? सो स्टार्टिंग वेलोसिटी वाज 5, आफ्टर दैट 7, फिर 9, फिर 11, ओके? सो दैट इज चेंज इन वेलोसिटी. That means that object has some acceleration. Similarly, if I take an example of different person which is moving and also changing the speed or velocity by the factor of 5, that means first second 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25. So can you tell which one has greater acceleration? So answer is of course the object who is changing with the acceleration of 5 instead of acceleration of 2. So there is a particular word, we call it rate of change of velocity. That means by which rate the velocity is changing. We call it change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay, this is called acceleration. We denote it by A. So what is acceleration? It is the rate of change of velocity or change in velocity by time taken. That means by which rate we are changing the velocity. Is this okay? So what do you mean by change in velocity? So change means what was the final value minus what is initial value. So change means this is the formula for acceleration, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. Okay, there are some symbols we use to mention final velocity and initial velocity. For final velocity we use a symbol V, for initial velocity we use U, and for time we use T. So what is the formula for acceleration? The formula for acceleration is A is equals to V minus U by T. Is this okay? So this is the formula for acceleration. What will be the SI unit of acceleration? So let us discuss. What is the SI unit of velocity? Answer is meter per second. What is the SI unit of initial velocity? Again meter per second. So we are subtracting same quantity. That means ऊपर हमारे पास क्या आएगा? Meter per second, and in divide we have again second. Meter per second we call it meter per second square, or in our books it is written like this, meter per second square. This is the SI unit of acceleration. Okay, so एक बार यहाँ तक नोट कीजिए. Next thing we know acceleration, that means rate of change of velocity. So there are two type of change. One is positive change and other is negative change. What do you mean by positive change? Positive change means when final velocity is greater than initial velocity. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? When velocity is increasing, we feel acceleration is positive. And negative change means when final velocity is less than initial velocity. In this case we can say velocity is increasing. In this case we can say velocity is decreasing. So can you say when velocity of any vehicle decrease? So answer is when we apply brake. So when we get acceleration as a negative value, that means ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर आपका आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है तो डोंट पैनिक कि नेगेटिव आंसर कैसे आ गया। नेगेटिव जस्ट शो दैट एक्सेलरेशन इज नेगेटिव, दैट मीन्स velocity is decreasing. Let us take an example. A car is moving with 50 km per hour, applies brake and decreases its speed to 10 km per hour. That means acceleration is negative. And for positive, from 10 to 50. Okay, so this is, there are two type of acceleration. One is positive acceleration, other is negative acceleration. So if I mention it here, there are two type of acceleration. One is positive acceleration and other is negative acceleration. What is positive acceleration? When velocity change in positively, that means when there is increase in velocity we will take it as positive acceleration, and when there is decrease in velocity we will take it as negative acceleration. There is another name for negative acceleration, we call it retardation. So in your questions if you feel the word is retardation or retarded, just understood that ब्रेक्स लगाए गए हैं, ठीक है। पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन के लिए अलग से कोई वर्ड नहीं है, सो वी विल यूज इट एक्सेलरेशन ओनली, ओके। इसके लिए हम एक्सेलरेशन यूज करेंगे, बट नेगेटिव के लिए हो सकता है कुछ क्वेश्चंस में रिटार्डेशन लिखा हो। इज दिस ओके? सो नोट डाउन टिल हियर। नाउ देयर आर वेरियस वे टू चेंज इन वेलोसिटी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे हमने अभी एग्जाम्पल लिया था कि एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग विद 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, आफ्टर 1 सेकेंड इट स्पीड बिकम 10, देन 15, 20, 25, दैट मीन्स हर सेकेंड वो 5 का इंक्रीमेंट कर रहा है, ओके। सिमिलरली वी हैव सम ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक दिस कि फर्स्ट सेकेंड उसकी स्पीड थी 5, देन 7, देन 10, देन 12, 15, 10, दैट मीन्स वो अपनी स्पीड को कभी 2, कभी 3, कभी 2, कभी 3, कभी 10 ऐसे चेंज कर रहा है। तो एक्सेलरेशन को हम दो कैटेगरीज में डाल सकते हैं यहाँ से, वी कॉल इट यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन और यूनिफॉर्म accelerated motion. That means the motion in which acceleration is uniform. That means speed or velocity is changing uniformly. जैसे हमारे पास क्या था, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का मीनिंग क्या था? What was uniform motion? Equal distance in equal time. What is uniform accelerated motion? Equal change in velocity in equal interval of time. Similarly we have non uniform accelerated motion. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? Unequal change in velocity in equal interval of time. Okay, so these are some definitions. ये आपके सामने इनकी कुछ definitions भी है, note these. Let us try some questions related to acceleration. Okay, we have a question. We'll take NCERT's questions. Okay, there is a question on in our NCERT book, page number 103, question number 2. Let us solve this question. The question is, question आपके सामने है, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. So question is, the bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. So can you tell me which one is initial velocity and which one is final velocity? So we can say easily कि 80 km per hour is initial velocity. U is 80 km per hour. What is V? V is 60 km per hour. Observe this data and tell what type of acceleration we will get here, positive or negative. Observe it carefully and you will see that negative change is there. That means initial velocity is greater than final velocity, so we will get a negative acceleration here. So answer will be negative. Now let's start solving this question. So what is the formula of acceleration? Answer is v minus u by t. What is v? Answer is 80. What is u? Answer 60. What is time? 5. So answer will be 20 by 5, that is 4. एंड इस आंसर को आप करने के बाद क्रॉस जरूर लगाएं. दिस इज रॉन्ग मेथड. वाई इट इज रॉन्ग? लेट अस टेक द डाटा अगेन. इनिशियल एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी मस्ट बी इन मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड टाइम इज इन सेकेंड. टाइम तो सेकेंड में है बट स्पीड्स आर इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस डाटा इनटू meter per second. Okay, so how will you convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? Okay, so let us discuss this term. Kilometer per hour, that means kilometer divide में r. Is this okay? हाँ, Can you tell how many meters are there in kilometer? So you will get 1000 meter. How many hours, how many seconds are there in hour? So एक घंटे में कितने सेकंड होते हैं? 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड, 1 आवर में 60 मिनट, तो 60 into 60 that is 3600 second. Is this okay? So can I say कि 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1000 by 3600 meter per second. If you want to solve it further, you can cut 2 zeros and you will get 5 by 18 meter per second. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज इक्वल टू 5 by 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर क्या हो जाएगा? 80 into 5 by 18. इज दिस ओके? दिस इज सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड. 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर को आप किलोमीटर मीटर पर सेकेंड में चेंज करेंगे तो व्हाट विल वी गेट? 80 into 5 by 18. Is this okay? Solve this. You will get 2 के टेबल पे काटिए 49, 4 5 20, तो you will get 200 by 9 meter per second. Try to solve it in fraction. Don't take decimal terms क्योंकि decimals के अंदर फिर आंसर में थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है. ठीक है? So we will solve first fraction and after that we will convert it into decimals. Similarly, what will be the final velocity? The answer will be 60 into 5 by 18. किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकंड बनाने के लिए क्या करते हैं? 5 by 18. और मीटर पर सेकंड से किलोमीटर पर आवर बनाने के लिए इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा 18 पर 5. सो इफ़ यू सोल्व दिस, तो यहाँ पर 9 है तो लेट अस टेक सेम एलसीएम, क्योंकि हमें पता है हमें इन दोनों को माइनस करना है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला v माइनस यू. सो हम एलसीएम सेम रखते हैं. वी नो कि 6 के टेबल पे कट रहा है बट हम इसको 2 के टेबल पर ही काटेंगे सो दैट एलसीएम में हमें प्रॉब्लम ना आए. एंड वी विल गेट 150 by 9 meter per second. So what will be acceleration? Acceleration is v minus u by t. Can you tell what is the value of v? 150 by 9 minus u. U is 200 by 9 divided by time. Time is 5 second. When you take LCM, you will get 9 and ऊपर आएगा हमारे पास 150 में से 200 माइनस करेंगे तो आएगा -50 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 और नीचे 5 था. सो वी विल गेट -10 by 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वेयर. आप इस आंसर को इतना छोड़ देंगे तो भी कोई गलत नहीं करेगा. दिस इज परफेक्ट आंसर. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू सॉल्व इट फर्दर यू कैन सॉल्व एंड फाइंड अप टू 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. वी नीड टू सॉल्व सच क्वेश्चंस when we are solving MCQs and there is no option in fractions. Okay, so at that case we use decimal. एक बार इस क्वेश्चन को नोट कीजिए. Let us do one more question. It's on page number 103 in your NCERT book. Again, the question number 3 is a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find its acceleration. So what we have given, a train starting from railway station. So what is the speed of train at railway station? उन्होंने कहा है कि train starting from railway station, that means initial speed is 0. Okay, and next is final velocity is 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. So we'll take it also kilometer per hour. So what will be our first step? We have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. This is the conversion factor. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. So first वाले को change करेंगे तो 0 into 5 by 18. Answer is 0 meter per second. This is initial speed and this will become 40 into 5 by 18. ये कटेगा 2 के टेबल पर 20 and 9. You will get 100 upon 9 meter per second. And what is time? 10 minutes. That is 10 into 60 seconds. That is 600 seconds. So what will be acceleration? Answer is v minus u by t. What is the value of v? 100 by 9. What is the value of u? 0 divided by time 600 seconds. So answer will be 100 by 9 by 600. That becomes 100 by 9 into 600. 2 zeros will cancel each other and answer is 9 6 are 54. 1 by 54 meter per second square. This is our answer. How to solve such type of question. Okay, this is how we solve questions for acceleration. Okay, so in our next video we will start our next topic. Try this question till here. Okay, thank you.